What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making avocado deviled eggs. These are a nice break from your standard typical deviled eggs. They're delicious, easy to make, so let's get started. So first you want to take 2 tablespoons of red onion and 2 tablespoons of cilantro. I like to go ahead and combine that in my food processor to get that finely chopped. And then you want to boil 6 eggs. You can either do that on the stove top, you can use your air fryer, or you can use an Instant Pot. Then take your hard-boiled eggs and slice each of those eggs in half. And then remove the inside yolk from each of those eggs and retain that yolk and put it in a large mixing bowl. And then add 1 fresh avocado to those egg yolks. Then take 1/2 of a lime and use the juice from that lime. You can add more lime if you wish. And then add your chopped onions and cilantro, along with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and salt and pepper to taste. And then mash that avocado and yolk mixture. And then take and add that avocado yolk mixture to your egg whites to create the deviled eggs. You can top these with bacon or smoked paprika, whatever you like.